Hi and welcome to Sky VBS. Today we'll be making this airplane and this paper flyer. So it's a 2-craft day. We thought that we'd include extra materials to make these crafts so you can share with your friends or family, and so all of you can fly your paper airplanes and have fun. Which one should we make first, cameraman?
The one that flies.
Well, hopefully they're both going to fly, so...
My left.
Okay, so cameraman has picked the paper airplane. For the paper airplane, you'll need a piece of paper, paper clips, and optional stickers and something to color with, either crayons or markers or colored pencils. So let's get started. I'm not going to color my airplane, but you can if you want to. However, I am going to color one side of the paper so it's easier for you to follow along with what I'm doing. So first, with your paper, we're going to fold it in half like a hamburger. Like so, and we're going to open it up. Then we're going to take these top two corners and we're going to fold it along the line that we just folded. And now we've kind of made a house. Then we're going to take this top corner and line it up with this. Then we're going to take the sides and we're going to fold them in to meet the center line. Just like that. And then we're going to fold it in half so the folds are on the outside. Then we're going to fold down one of the wings. And flip the airplane over and do the same thing. Next, you're going to need your 2 paper clips. And we're going to clip these tabs, and it helps the paper plane fly. Like that. And there we go. There's our finished airplane. For the paper flyer, you'll need a short strip of paper, a long strip of paper, and a straw. So let's get started. So we're going to take a piece of tape, and we're going to make this into a circle and tape it. And then, with another piece of tape, we're going to tape it to one end of the straw. Just like that, see? We're going to do the same with the longer strip of paper. Okay, and there's our paper flyer. Okay, so now we've finished all our airplanes and let's go test them out. Hey Mom!
Yes?
Can I go throw airplanes off the porch?
Okay. Be safe.
Hi! Welcome to my porch. We're gonna try and fly these off the porch and see how far they go out into the yard. Let's start off with our airplane that we made first. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Straight into the bush. Then our paper flyer. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that was a bit far. I almost went to the street. Bye! Let's see how high we can fly on God's love. Thank you, thank you. Ooh, that one did a twisty.
Yep. Yeah.
So it seems like these paper airplanes will fly straight and they're a little more reliable, but they don't seem to go far. But these paper flyers, they're a bit unpredictable, and if they catch the wind, they'll just go off into nowhere. Street. They'll go in the street. We had to rescue quite a few. Thanks for joining with me today. Have your parents tag pictures on the Linway Facebook page so we can see pictures of your crafts from this week. Bye!
I gotta look like I'm doing something.